Maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for you.
Number best, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. Sort of a ride. Will this round take us on? Oh, a very thrilling one is going to be the 8, 20, 30, 31. Only one red number, 50x on that one, 50x on the 31, and 800 on that 20. And here comes the game changer. The hard reset. Total recall. 0 green. The only green number on the roulette wheel. Yes, on the French roulette wheel, ladies and gentlemen. Why would you have 2 zeros? Isn't one enough? Look at it. It's big. Why would you want to have 2? But enough about that complaining. Here we go. No more bets. Are we gonna get one of those huge rounds once more? Oh yes, we are. 4 lightning numbers yet again. 8 reappearing. 14, 15, 17. 3 100x multipliers. 50x on that 8. This might be the round. Let's go. $26 black. As this round's winning number, ladies and gentlemen. High and even. Third dozen. And the grid is once again all yours. So do as you please. Make the prediction. Where will the ball land this time? What do you think? Well, ladies and gentlemen, think fast. Because, as you may know, bets are now closed. Bon chance to everyone. For those who don't know French, that is good luck. French people, is that correct, right? I hope that is. 3 lightning numbers, 21, 23, and 32, all red. 100, 50, 200 on that 23. Your lucky number? Well, let's hope that the ball lands on it. 15 black, ladies and gentlemen, is this round's winning number. Low and odd. That 15 black. Almost, yes. A lot of close calls, but also had a lot of lightning numbers, especially in the last session. So you remember 2 500x multipliers? Looking pretty good. And the bets are now closed. Send this here grid flying away. Right. 200 players. Good luck. Oh. 13 black, Bennett's favorite this time with a 400x multiplier. The 20 not too far away, 200. The 2 having a 50. Let's go for that 13. Visualize it as the winning number, ladies and gentlemen. And we get the 26 black for the second time in the last 3 spins. 26 black is the winning number. All right, grid is all yours. Betting time is once again all yours. Let's go for another exciting, electrifying round of lightning roulette. Here we go. The wheel in all its beauty and glory. I'm very good at pulling this lever down. Zero spiel is taking over. Could be. Anything is possible in the game of lightning roulette. The 0, the 8, and the 35. 200x on that 8, 100x on that 35. Why am I thinking about that 0? Does that mean that we will be getting 500x on that 0? And we get a lightning number, ladies and gentlemen. 100x on that 35. Beautiful. Beautiful. Congratulations to the winners, of course. And a lot of those winners I see. Congratulations to all of you. Oh yeah, GG. Well, I see that the players are happy. Here we go. Another lightning round is ahead of us. And the bets are now closed, ladies and gentlemen. Say goodbye to this grid. Oh. 2, 13, 33, 13, Bennett's favorite, 500x on that 13, 200 on the 2. And let the music intensify, ladies and gentlemen. Visualize it as the winning number. And this round's winning number is 7 red. Low and odd, the 7 red take the high road on this one. Well, at least the streak of black was over in style with that 35 with a 100x multiplier, so why not, right? Alrighty then. Ask Arnold is saying 31 and it will be 500, let's go. Well, let's hope for that. Let's see where lightning strikes. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, a single bolt of lightning is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Can you imagine that? That's one bolt of lightning, but we're talking 14, 22, and 26 with 100x multipliers, 150x multipliers. So that's 150 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Not tested, of course. It's just a guess. And the winning number this time is 11 black. Alrighty then. Low and odd, the 11.